as you can see, you can close up. You can see the loop through it. That's why it's called loop stitch. We have a video tutorial on our website how to make a loop stitch. It's relatively, very easy to learn, and it gives you super cute texture. As you can see, I made the pillow. We haven't released the pattern yet. Will be soon. And I also made area rug with this stitch. It came out super cute. We'll do a separate video another time. Then here. So these are neutral color combination. I used 3 different colors to have this effect and color block. And if you use smaller size needle than suggested, you can make it a little bit more fitted. If you like it more fitted, you can use one size smaller needle. So here's our original vest. As you can see, there is some pink in it. So pink and yellow and then neutral color polar bear makes it a little bit like soft palette color, but it also make it very interesting because of the texture. But also you can use, you don't have to use 3 colors. Sometimes it's hard to make a decision what color you want to use it. You can use 2 colors like this. So you can have some accent color on top around your shoulder and use base color. Or you can make it all in solid color.